Since the time of Plato, Western scholars have tried to prove the existence of the Most High God by using what is called the cosmological argument. It is an argument that starts from the existence of the cosmos in order to prove the existence of the Supreme Being. In 19th century, an institution was created in the United Kingdom called Gifford Lectures. This institution is dedicated to the development of natural theology, which implies the demonstration of the existence of the Most High through logic, through deductive logic. However, this endeavor has always been a failure in the West. Scholars happen to prove the existence of a creator, but they cannot demonstrate that that creator is the Most High God, as it is supposed to be by them. In reality, this failure of the West is due to the fact that the concept of the Most High God, the concept of divinity they use, is a false one. It is a logically false conception. They suppose the Most High to be the creator. Now, in order to check this, you have to ask just one question. Where does creation occur? There are only two possibilities. Either creation occurs in the Most High God, or it occurs outside of Him. If creation occurs within the Most High, then at the moment of its occurrence, some things in the Most High goes from nothingness to existence, which means that God changes. And if God changes, then there might be a principle of the mutability of God. And that principle must be greater than God, according to the law of causality. And this is impossible because God is the greatest possible being. On the other hand, if creation occurs outside of God, then this creation added to God will result in an entity greater than God, which is also impossible. All the great philosophers and theologians of the West know this. They know that the concept of God used by them is a false one. The only demonstrable scientific notion of theism is the one developed in African traditional religion, where the Most High is different from the Creator. You may find more about this in the description. Thank you.